3x3 Rubik's Cube. Let's start. There are 4 formulas for solving this Rubik's Cube. The first formula is hide and seek formula. This hide and seek formula is used to get white color on the top and all the 6 colors on these sides. And the other 3 formulas are for solving this yellow color. Let's see. See, this piece should come in this red side and this green piece should come here, while this blue piece should come in this blue side, and at last this orange piece should come here. Let's see how to do it. First, see, if we do like this, it will come. If we rotate it, that's all. It's finished. Now we will see the green color. We should bring it below to that particular color and rotate it. Oh, what? See, sometimes it will come like this. Don't want to worry. Just do the steps which I am doing. Middle one along down, rotate it and again take it up. Now bring this green and white here and again rotate it. Now it's done. Orange also done. Now let's see for the red color. If we bring down and rotate it, yeah, we also got the red color. At last this blue. If we rotate it, again it comes the same. Hence we have to do that formula. Rotate it and again get back to the same place. And again if we do like this, we got the plus correctly of these 4 colors. Now the next step is getting these corners correctly. See, this corner is correct. White, orange and green. But we have to rotate it to get the same colors on all the sides. Here this is not. And this white, red, blue should come here. For that there is a formula, that is hide and seek formula. Hide it, bring it down, take it and go up. See, now the blue, red, white is attached correctly. Now the next white, here it is filtered. Now I am doing the process. Now we have to hide this white. Hide, bring down, seek it and go up. See, now this is also done. But this piece is wrong. Hence we have to bring this down. Down, hide and then go up. This piece should come here. Hence we have to do that formula. Repeat the process until it comes. Hiding, coming down, seeking it and going up. See, now this is formed, this is formed. This part is alone there and also this is also formed. The white part is here. Now I have to bring it here. Do the same process until you get it. Hide it, come down, bring it, got it. Wow, now you got full white color and also T shapes in all the sides. Now the next step is getting all these colors into the same color. Let's see how to do it. We have to bring, this part is blue means we have to bring to the blue color. And this part should go here. For that there is one formula. Same formula. To hide this part, bring this down, take this part and go up. And turn like this. This white color should go here. Hence hide this part, come down, do this and it will go up. See, now the red, blue has came. Like this, if this is green part means we have to keep it in green part. And we have to see. To hide it, come down, bring it and go up. The white part is here. So again hide it, come down, get it and go up. Okay, and this part should come here. we have to hide it in the opposite direction. Hide it, come down, bring it, again go up. This white should come here. Then hide it, come down, get it, and go up. See, these three are over, this is over, and this part is alone missing. And that part is here. This should go to the right hand side. Move towards left, come down, take it, and go up. And this white should go here. So again, hide it, come down, get it, and go up. See now? All the colors are gone. Now, the top two layers are formed. Now we should form this yellow color. Sometimes this will be in J shape. For that there is particular formula, J formula. If we do the J formula, we will get this yellow in plus shape. Now all the colors are there. We have to keep it in each color and see. First we can keep it in green color. Green color means only one is matching. We can keep it in blue color. 1, 2 are matching. If we keep in red color also 2 are matching. And if we keep in orange, only one is matching. And it is better to keep in which is matching at two places. Now this part should come here. This part should come here. For this there is a particular formula called corner formula. See, this in between these two parts, the corner is this one. Hence, listen carefully. Bring down, 1, 2 rotates, take it up. Again rotate this, come down, bring the white and take it. And again align it with that. See, this one is matched, this one is matched, this one is matched, this one is also matched. And this corner is also matched. Now, to make this corners correct, there is one formula called 11 formula. This corner should come here, this corner should come here, and this should go here. This is correct. Hence, we can keep the correct one in the left hand side and do the 11 formula. Bring one line down, rotate it. Bring one line down, rotate it. Take this up and again rotate it to get the white and again take it up. And now you align and see. Wow, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. And again keep the correct one on left hand side and repeat the process. Bring one down, rotate. Bring one down, rotate. Take it up, bring this, again take it up. See, now if we take this one is correct, this one is correct. This one is also correct in the same place. This one is also the same place. And this is the main step for doing this Rubik's Cube. Is rotating in the same places to get the Rubik's Cube finished. For that, we are going to see the same formula, that is corner formula. We have to bring this one down, one time, 2 times. Take this up. Rotate like this to come white here. Come down, take it and go up. And repeat the same process on your left hand side. Bring down, you have to rotate this side. 1, 2 and take it up. And bring this one, come down, take it and go up. If we see again this will be correct and this will be correct. Hence repeat the process until you get it. Come down, 1 rotate and 2 rotate. Take it up. And rotate this to get white here. Come down, take it, go up. Repeat the same process on your left hand side without rotating the cube. Come down, 1, 2. The white has came here. Stop. Come down, down. Take it. Yeah, now the Rubik's Cube is ready. Hope you all understood how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Thank you.